Welcome back to Keyless One Automotive. Today I'm diving into the best used cars for reliability and value in 2025. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First on my list is the Toyota Corolla. Known for its durability and low maintenance costs, the Corolla has been a favorite for decades. The 2020 model offers advanced safety features and excellent fuel economy. Next up is the Honda Civic. The Civic is well loved for its sporty design, fuel efficiency, and robust performance. The 2018 model stands out with modern tech features and impressive safety ratings. Third on my list is the Subaru Outback. This versatile crossover is perfect for adventure lovers. The 2019 model offers all-wheel drive and a spacious interior. Another great option is the Ford Fusion. The 2019 model is appealing with its hybrid option and advanced safety features. Rounding out my list is the Mazda CX-5. This compact SUV is praised for its stylish design, responsive handling, and top-notch safety features. So there you have it, my top picks for the best used cars for reliability and value in 2025. Let me know in the comments which car you're considering, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive insights. Thanks for riding along with Keyless One Automotive, shifting gears. See you next time.